iPhone hack that will blow your mind. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and Voice Control. Go to Customize Commands, Create New Command, and type in Open Tomato. Hit Action, Run Custom Gesture, and tap where you think your phone passcode is. Hit Save and tell your phone Open Tomato.